How do you hedge the VIX when now there's so much conversation about potential rigging of the VIX? So there's an anonymous whistleblower, apparently. FINRA is now looking into it. And the worry is that there's, as you said before in the commercial break, spoofing basically on the VIX.
Yeah, and this was a story that yesterday really sort of caught the imagination of Wall Street. And I was thinking this morning that why that may be. First of all, the VIX was the story last week and volatility was the story last week. So people are really looking for a reason. I think there's also, if I may be a little bit meta about this, there's also this sense of, is everything being manipulated? You know, we live in the era of, fake news, but we also go back to the LIBOR rigging scandal that really roiled Wall Street and the City of London over the past few years. And so there is this kind of innate skepticism that
it's the ultimate conspiracy theory. I mean, with billions, maybe even trillions of dollars at stake. I mean, it makes a great movie. Well, we should say SIBO immediately came out and said it's wrong.
Of course.
Even the letter itself has mistakes in it. And there is an academic study, actually, that suggested it was possible. SIBO said that's wrong, too.
Right.
But my point, too, is that isn't there a distinction between an outright manipulation, like traders IBing each other to find out, not IBing, but you using instant messaging to find out what they're going to be positioned as so they can rig against it, versus there's so many derivative products out there, you arb it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, and it also speaks to the really incredible complexity that is baked into all of Wall Street right now, but certainly within the VIX. And I think one of the things that all of us have been learning, except for the people who are really deep into it, into the VIX and some of the derivative products there, is just how ripe for arbitrage in a positive way, but potentially manipulation